This is the Breville
kitchen. The BLACK+DECKER citrus juicer gives you the simple pleasure of freshly squeezed juice anytime you want it. The clear plastic 32-ounce container has easy-to-read measurement lines and an easy pour spout to minimize dripping and maximize juicing. The strainer comes with an adjustable pulp control lever, so you can create juices for all tastes. 2 self-reversing cones work with citrus big and small. Each time you press down on a piece of fruit, the cone switches direction to ensure maximum juice extraction. The plastic storage cover keeps the juicer clean and ready to use in a moment's notice. The BLACK+DECKER Citrus Juicer
by Breville. Die-cast citrus press. It's the world's first active arm citrus press, and you can actually juice any size citrus fruit on the same cone. It's got this quadrifin cone here, so I'm going to do a lime first. And using the active arm, you just simply press it down. Look at that. And on the same cone, I'm going to use a large grapefruit. Just pop it on the quadrifin cone and pull down the active arm. Look at that beautiful grapefruit juice. And then you simply click up the drip stop spout, and all parts are dishwasher safe. So you just click them out, whoa, and pop them in the dishwasher. The die-cast citrus press, another great innovation by Breville.